Hello, today I will show you how to visualize or see the projected coordinate system or the UTM zones of different places around the world. So we'll use Google Earth and the UTM zones that we will download. So make sure first you have a well-connected internet, and then open your browser. Then search UTM zone download. So my link comes first here. So here you will download the UTM zones for Google Earth. So here click and the UTM zones will download. Then go ahead and show in folder. So you'll have the UTM zones here. Right click and copy this folder to a place where you will be able to access it easily. So I will paste it in the desktop. Here I can find it, and then I will extract it to this folder, UTM zone. So I'll find my extracted UTM zone folder here. So when I open the folder, it will have this UTM zones KMZ file. This is a type of file that when loaded in Google Earth Pro, and the software will recognize this KMZ file. So minimize this window. So now you'll open Google Earth Pro that you downloaded. So here is the Google Earth Pro. Close this, and I will minimize also this one. So now we'll just drag and drop these zones. Okay, just drag and drop to the Google Earth Pro. So here, copy. After you have dragged and dropped, here you will see the UTM zones. So click this arrow, and here are labels and the UTM zones. So try and checking this. You see the lines disappearing, and zoom it a little bit with your mouse. Scroll in, and here you see the numbers or the number of the UTM zone as a label. So if you uncheck that, you see the labels disappearing. Now let's see the UTM zones of different places. So you can use this to move, or simply your mouse. Okay, so let's try viewing the UTM zone of Tanzania. So here you can see Tanzania. Here's Lake Victoria. So Tanzania roughly falls to the UTM zone 37 and 36. So the only difference is the hemispheres. So Tanzania is below the equator, so this will be 37 south. If you go up here in the northern hemisphere, you also find UTM zone 37, but this will be UTM zone 37 north. So UTM zones goes until here at the top, but not to the North Pole or the South Pole here. So you can search a place, for instance, Eiffel Tower. Search the place. So the Google Earth will bring you here. So if you scroll up a little bit, want to know the UTM zone of Eiffel Tower. So you'll see it is in 55 zone, but here is Australia, so it's south. So if you're doing projects at this location, you will use projected coordinate reference system using the UTM zone 55 south. Also, you can search another place, for instance, let's say Morogoro. search. So when you search, the Google Explorer will go direct to the location. Here is Morogoro, and here you can see it's Mazimbu campus here. So if you scroll up, when you're doing studies at Morogoro, you'll use UTM zones 37 South. So that's how we view the UTM zones of different places around the world. So you can search any place here and it will direct you to the place, and you'll see the UTM zone to use in projecting the area you are dealing with in your study. So thank you guys. I guess you have a little bit concept about the UTM zones.